A powerful feature of Microsoft Excel is the sorting of data. Here we have a table with the names and surnames of students and the examination mark that they have obtained accordingly. Let's say we want to sort these students by surname and name in ascending order. In order to sort, we have to use the data ribbon. Then we have to highlight the data that we want to sort. It is very important that we highlight all the columns. So if, for example, we are only interested in sorting the surname and then the name, it is very important that in this case we also highlight the mark column and the pass or fail column, because those rows have to be sorted accordingly as well. Note that when I have highlighted the data, I have not included the header. Usually Microsoft Excel detects the header. However, I suggest that if you know which is the header, and you should know because if you are sorting the data, then you should know the data very well. Preferably, you shouldn't highlight it. Once we have the data to sort highlighted, we can click on the sort button, and here we can choose our sorting criteria. Our sorting criteria is first going to be to sort by surname from A to Z, so in ascending order, and I am going to add a new level, and I am going to choose to sort secondly by the name, from name using A to Z as well. When I click OK, you can note that the data has been sorted accordingly in alphabetical order. Now consider that you are interested in sorting our data using the examination marks in descending order. So we want to show the students that have obtained the highest marks first, and then we continue showing the students that obtained the least marks. To do this, I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to highlight all the data, click on sort. I am going to remove these sorting criteria that we had done previously. I will add a new level, and this time I am going to sort using the examination mark. However, since I want it in descending order, that is from the largest value to the smallest value, I am going to choose the criteria of the order from here. When I click on OK, as you can see, the data has been sorted according to the examination mark.